Hey, cookies.
All right, you guys. So we're back with our seafood mukbang, and we're gonna discuss quarantine life.
Yes. It's big.
All right, let's get her. Oh, wait, we are missing the sauce. The best part.
And the plate.
And the plate, so we can divide it. So let's put a pin in it, and we'll be back.
Yeah.
Boop.
Alright, so. Wait for your mom to
Now we're back. Now we can dig in.
Got the scissors.
You can just take one thing at a time. Oh, you're ready for the crab, huh? Be careful. It's probably still dripping. You
Yeah.
can sit it on your plate.
Ay.
That's probably the only thing you need to put on your plate is a crab. So, you guys see this crab? Look at how big it is.
Man, that's about 20 bucks. Help!
All right.
I like the crab face that you
What's that called? King crab?
Can you?
No, it's the body crab. Dungeness crab.
It's called Dungeness.
Huh?
Ew, Xavier's cutting the
Look
brain.
at all these little hairs. I know you guys can't see because we're not close enough to the camera, but it's disgusting. It stinks too.
Got me a Pepsi. Water.
You guys see my beer mug of water?
Beer mug of water.
Yeah, it's called a beer mug.
I know it is.
You're using scissors to just.
Damn.
It's hard to open it.
Oh man. I'm gonna keep it simple. Try one of these eggs and this
Ew.
sauce that Anaya made.
Be love.
Ooh. All the seasoning.
That's good.
I want to see some.
Me too. You can put the shells on the.
I just made a mess.
Whatever. I'm going to eat some sauce. Just eat some eggs.
Sauce is good. All this butter. Ooh. Got oil dripping down my lip.
Spitting the bombly.
Mm.
Go all in. Oh.
All right. So what we gonna talk about? Quarantine life, right?
How was school? School's good.
What? Let's see yours.
Swallowed that in one bite.
Xavier.
Ew.
What is that?
Egg. He just
Don't
went.
do that. Ooh, that crab looks this. Okay.
Exactly.
I don't know if I'm gonna eat the inside of the crab.
It looks like doo doo. Wait, let me see.
Baby.
And then there's that.
Are you supposed to eat that part?
I don't think so. It looks like it has. No. It has. What's it called?
I said no. I'm gonna show it.
Looks like doo doo. Looks like doo doo, man.
You guys, look at what this crab looks like inside.
No, literally. It's like doo doo.
Look at the way it looks. That does not look good. It doesn't look good at all.
See, this is why I can't eat seafood.
I'm not eating that part. I'm just gonna eat the legs.
See, this is the quality
Ew.
of not being able to eat seafood. You don't eat the
I've never had like a whole crab like this, so I've always just had crab legs. So this looks like poop. Like it feel like poop. It's soft.
Why?
I don't think you're supposed to eat that part.
Poop, Mom?
Y'all ain't never ate that part?
No, I've never eaten this part.
I don't eat that part. I don't know if
It really looks like poop, you guys.
Ew, it's
Look at it.
green.
It ain't meat. It ain't no
That's
meat.
disgusting.
Uh-oh, I'm about to drop it.
That's disgusting, Mom.
Looks like it was constipated.
Yeah. Our cat is
I will not eat that. Can you sit down, please?
Oh.
That's the inside of it.
Oh.
It feels like the whole crab.
That crab is nasty.
No, meat don't look like that. It's mush.
It's the brain. I'm eating the
This
brain.
part look like meat, but I don't think it's supposed to eat this part. Why they even sell it like that? I ain't eating that part. I'm eating the leg.
They dumb.
Don't eat that part. You hear me? And don't say you didn't hear me. You shouldn't even want to eat that part. Let me try to tear these legs open.
All right. So, how has school been? Nice. What's that?
Oh, her mouth is full.
School has been a ride. Oh my god. These teachers.
Teachers?
They're annoying. They crack.
Cray.
Yes.
Your teacher not cray.
They give us so much homework.
Like giving out candy. They don't even like us eating candy, actually. They be handing out, oh my god. Okay, so tell me if you can relate. If your teachers give you assignments at like 2:30 to 3:30 in the morning, and tell them they do that same day, that same morning.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Why your teacher's up at 2 in the morning emailing
Right.
assignments?
Like, what? You can't even get on your Zooms to be like that. You're gonna be like,
No sense at all.
that's why.
And
you
then
do
says
it
do the same day? That's ridiculous. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That makes no sense. Your teacher is the only one like that.
Mm-hmm.
Their teachers don't do that.
Okay, Xavier, how high school been?
Then a long drive.
A long drive?
Yeah.
Xavier's driving.
A long drive, huh?
Yeah.
At least you get a break. You guys
Yeah.
are still in track school, so.
We're going off track on the 26th.
On Friday.
And today is the 20th. Okay, so you got 5 days of school left?
6.
Oh, you said, wait, on the 26th?
No, it's on 5.
No, it's not.
5.
Thursday's the last day, because Friday's a no school day again. Like, you take off.
3 days.
So the 23rd is your last day of school.
I'm dancing like I got music in the background or
What
something.
are you going to do? While
I'm
you're
gonna
off?
play outside every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to burn some weight.
Yeah.
Burn some weight, burn some calories.
And weight.
Burn.
No,
How
no,
can
weight
you
off.
burn weight?
Hmm?
Like,
By running,
By sweating.
sweating, yep. Running, exercising.
Play with your friends all day. That's what we do.
one of our friends are moving out.
Yeah?
Yep. In a week.
Aw,
He's not a best friend.
Yeah. This guy loves to fight with me all the time.
he's not.
And then he said he wanted to
He's
kill
not
me.
best friend.
I was like, come on, just kill me. Yeah, and I said, come on, just kill me. You already
He didn't punch hard.
Wait,
Exactly.
why is he
I could
playing
just
with y'all?
flip
He's
this
talking
guy
about he
over
gonna kill
so
Say, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
I'd be like,
Hold on, player. Now, which kid is this?
his name is Wyatt.
Wyatt.
Wyatt?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, I play with him all the time. He came over here about 25 times while y'all were visiting your dad.
Yep, the little dude kept
What were you doing to him? What made him say that?
And just because I kept tagging him and mommy got me come alive. Mommy got me come alive. Yeah.
No. Xavier had punched him one day. In his arm. He went like that. And he said, ow, that hurt. Yeah, he's a whiny boy.
And that didn't even hurt.
Whiny boy?
Having
That should've
fun
happened.
with this seafood boy.
I was excited about this crab, y'all, because I thought it was going to be a lot of meat. So I see why people normally buy crab legs, not the whole crab. First time I bought a whole crab, so. You probably could eat some parts of the inside, but no thanks. I ain't even going to open mine. I don't want to see it again.
Just drop out all the meat.
Careful. You're breaking the legs pretty small over there, brother.
Me?
Yep, you.
You haven't even touched the leg.
Mm-hmm.
Only
leg.
You
one.
don't see all that?
I ate a leg already.
Only one. Wow.
You haven't had any corn yet?
My teeth could bite and break those. Because they're soggy. They're really soggy.
I want a different sauce.
Is it too hot for you?
No.
Mine's
Sure.
cold now.
Spicy.
Nope, butter. That's all. That's the problem.
My mouth isn't even on.
Oh wow, y'all pro or whatever. We are doing a video right now. Thanks.
Thank you.
How is it?
You're
Good.
talking.
Shut up. We're doing it without
That'll
you.
be good.
Oh.
We're talking in the video.
I know, but I can tell.
No. Nah.
Favorite child
Number
right
one.
here.
Oh
No,
no.
I am.
Yeah, Will is.
Look at y'all.
Who determined that?
You. You said he was your only child.
I said you're my favorite child.
Yes, and your only child.
I ain't never said he's my favorite child. I ain't never said none of y'all was my favorite child.
She said that I'm the one who is her actual child because I act like her.
Oh. Yeah, I did say that.
And you talking about that? I look like you. And you talking about I'm not your child? Okay.
Who out of us looks most like her?
Me and Will.
No, it's only
The
one.
boy.
Only one.
I'm like, I said, which one?
One?
Yeah.
How come only one of y'all can look like me? All of y'all.
No,
are
the
kids.
most.
Two?
Yeah.
Yeah, some dumb YouTubers. Not doing this again. I'm just buying crab legs from here on forward. That was too much. I was excited. I'm like, oh, it's gonna have a lot of meat. Mm.
Feel like a crab now.
Where this crab is
Hello.
I was excited about it, and now I'm just sleeping. We slaved in the kitchen.
For nothing.
Not for nothing. Y'all eating it. Right?
Finesse.
Just disappearing.
Hey, like you was what mine.
All right, you guys. I'm out of here. I'm done.
I'm not.
Woo,
Let's talk
I'm
about-
tapping out.
Eh,
Oh, so does anybody miss going to school?
I do.
Yeah.
It would be not this much work.
Really?
Right.
It was
Yeah.
easier.
What a
Easier?
And I could see my friends.
Mm.
Goodness.
yeah.
I'm playing research.
I have so many friends.
And play recess. Y'all play it here. Longer than recess. Right? Recess is a time limit
Ain't no
where
such
you
thing.
probably get, what, 30 minutes if that?
No,
At
an
one
hour.
time?
No.
You don't get
like
an hour
40
of
minutes.
recess.
No,
40 minutes.
like lunch
40
is an
It's 40?
is what,
What?
an hour.
And y'all have 3 recesses.
Lunch is an hour.
40 minutes each time?
Yeah.
Mm. That's almost
Lunch,
3 hours out of your
lunch
day.
is
of
1
playing.
hour. Lunch is 1
See?
hour.
Can't say school is bad.
The best.
Mm. So you miss school.
Oh my
So
goodness.
why do you miss school? Because you
My
said number
friends,
one, you
and
wouldn't
it's
have that
easier.
much homework, or you
Yeah.
wouldn't have that much work.
And
Now
it's
me and
easier
Will, now me
instead
and
of doing on a computer.
Can't see you.
now me and Will are in beach.
And you said you miss your
friends.
friends. And what else?
It's easier to do schoolwork.
Oh, and what's it called?
If you do your schoolwork.
One of my friends, my classmates, live in
Why
this
did you make that
neighborhood.
face?
Why did you make that
You
face?
said one of your classmates live where, Xavier?
In this neighborhood,
Oh yeah.
you know what that is, right?
Oh no, he moved. The one that used to. Oh,
Caleb?
Caleb. Oh, the one that's currently in your class. Okay.
Carlos is in your grade?
Yeah, he's in class.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the same class.
Oh yeah, I
Honor roll. So they don't allow you to be on honor roll being online school.
no.
Mm.
Oh wait, Jose.
I want to go on.
Timmy good. And that is perfectly. Hey,
Start
looking.
smiling.
That's mine.
I know. I said I
Crab.
started smiling.
Mm.
Look at this.
Doesn't it look like turdy?
Ew.
Yo, no.
You guys, we have a turtle, and the crab looks like the turtle.
How did the
Without
oil
the
get
legs.
hard
Stop.
already?
We showed them the crab.
Look at it now. Ew.
Underneath it looks
Poor
like turdy.
turdy.
Okay, get back and go.
Poor
Go back
turdy
down.
boy.
Eating a turtle.
We haven't done a TikTok in a while. Hey, you guys, make sure you go follow us on TikTok.
Cooking chocolate chips.
No,
It's cooking
I actually
chocolate
don't
chips.
even know what it is. I think it's Cookie and the Chips because it was too long of a name to put, and
Oh,
I think
yeah,
I
it
had
was
to shorten
Cookie and
it,
the Chips.
and I think it's just Cookie and the Chips.
It'll be right there.
Yeah. I'll
If,
make sure I put it.
if it doesn't work for cookie and the chips, then cookie and the chocolate chips.
I always put it in the description box of all of our videos anyway, but I'll still put it in the video too. And then check Anaya
It's
out
right here.
too on TikTok.
At Anaya_Renee 01.
All right.
Hard.
Woo! Any innocent.
Mommy, there's actual meat. Look, good meat.
What?
Good meat.
Will you please? You're done.
This guy is going mining.
Did you hear me? You're done.
Why?
You're done.
Did you have to do this to me?
Why you always
Crying.
crying?
Oh my god. Stop. We're crying.
All right, y'all. We are done. Hope you guys enjoyed our conversation and
Muckbang.
our mukbang. Even though my crab is all still put together, he said peace, and he out. I still got 3 legs. Three legs left, and 4 maybe. This is like 1. I didn't open these. So, you guys, we're out of here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so be notified every time we post a video. Bye.